Hope House, nonprofit organization. I assume a good amount of you have heard of Hope House. We were started in 1967 by Bishop Hubbard when he was a street priest. And one of the things that Bishop Hubbard said was back in 1967, there was a lot going on in Albany. They were building the plaza. There was a lot of displacement. There were a lot of issues. He was seeing a lot of heroin problems. But the major difference was he was seeing it with adults. Now we're seeing it with young people. So heroin has been around and been a problem for a long time. I think what's starting to grab a lot more attention is the fact that it's younger people and the amount of the overdoses that are happening. One of the things I'm sure somebody who's quick enough to pick up on, our adolescent programs, we're not seeing as big of a number of heroin use there. We are in our adult programs. So somebody can put this together and say, whoa, whoa, whoa. If they keep on the track they're going to heroin. So let's get our arms around this now at an earlier stage. So I said to a New York State trooper, I said, with all due respect, come to Hope House, see what we're doing. Oh, and by the way, no gun, no badge, because that's a little bit intimidating for kids. But come on in and see. And we've talked about it. And I've said to them, look, you don't need to be a social worker, but I want you to know what kids are seeing. See these kids as kids that have the disease of addiction. Don't see the kid who's doing bad stuff, because there's something there. There's a cause and a reason for this. Come see these kids. But we have to put this information out there. As a 48-year-old Catholic guy, I grew up with, don't talk about sex, it makes kids promiscuous. Okay, that's absurd. Absolutely absurd. We have to be out there with this message across.